This is the A Little Hello Sentiments die set, as well as sub-sentiment stamp set from Spellbinders. I love the fact that the hello has 3 different layers to it, so you can choose to have 1 shadow or 2. There's also 7 different choices for sub-sentiments, and I love the fact that there is a die to cut out those sub-sentiments. It makes it very easy to use them. I like to use a stamp positioning tool like a Misty to stamp my sentiment so that I can stamp it multiple times if I need to. And when I go to use the die for die cutting, I like to tape it in place to make sure that it doesn't shift or move while I'm doing my die cutting. And creating those sub-sentiments is as easy as that. I like to use a liquid glue when I'm layering my die cut sentiments. That way I can move and shimmy things in place as I'm placing them down and make sure I get perfect placement. This die set and sentiment set is perfect for the fronts of cards, and I love the fact that you get the sub-sentiments right in the set with the Hello die set. They look fabulous in many different colors, and you can ink blend them and even create an ombre look by doing partial ink blending on them. This is a fabulous set with many, many different ways to use it.